Paper is an exceptional tool for thinking. It lets your mind roam freely, without restrictions. It lets you focus, without distractions. But what if paper were given digital powers? Introducing the next generation paper tablet. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Meet ReMarkable 2. A revolutionary new way to take notes, read, and review documents with a paper feel never experienced before on a digital device. Now even faster, thinner, smarter, and with 2 weeks of battery life. State-of-the-art components carefully arranged and encased in a precision-machined aluminium frame enable an extremely compact assembly. ReMarkable 2 is the world's thinnest tablet. Our unique paper-like display has been redesigned from the ground up, resulting in the second-generation canvas display, now twice as fast as its predecessor. Millions of ink particles are precisely controlled for instant response and an unmatched writing experience. Traditional displays constantly radiate light through millions of luminous pixels. In contrast, the canvas display simply reflects natural light, making it wonderfully gentle on the eyes. It even makes that familiar sound. ReMarkable 2 brings digital powers to your notes and printouts without sacrificing the feel of paper. Convert your handwriting into text. No more typing up your meeting notes. Transfer PDFs and ebooks and write directly on the page. No more printing or carrying heavy documents. All your work is instantly synced to the cloud and readily available on your phone and laptop. With a completely new display technology and a beautiful paper-thin design, ReMarkable 2 is the most advanced paper tablet ever, designed to make paper and thinking even better. In a world of social media, notifications, and pop-ups, we created ReMarkable to help you focus. No distractions, just you and your thoughts. ReMarkable. Better paper, better thinking.